Hello children, today we are going to discuss about reproduction in animals. Reproduction. The process by which animals produce young ones of their own kind is known as reproduction. Animals reproduce in two ways: by giving birth to young ones or by laying eggs from which the young ones hatch out. Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. Mammals that live on land are called terrestrial mammals. Human beings, lions, cats, tigers, giraffe, sheep, and cows are some examples of terrestrial mammals. Mammals that live in water are called aquatic mammals. Dolphins, whales, and seals are some examples of aquatic mammals. Mammals that can fly are called aerial or flying mammals. Bats are the only flying mammals. Life cycle of birds. All birds have similar life cycles. They lay eggs in their nest and incubate them. Incubate means to sit on eggs for weeks to keep them warm till they hatch. The baby bird develops inside the egg. When it is fully developed, the baby bird pegs open the shells of egg and emerges from it. This is called hatching. The parent birds feed their young ones and take care of them until they are able to look after themselves. Now let's know about the life cycle of a cockroach. The life cycle of cockroach involves three stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Nymphs are tiny larvae that hatch from eggs. They closely resemble their parents but do not have wings. A nymph undergoes molting several times before it grows into an adult. Next, life cycle of a fish. Fish lay thousands of eggs at a time in water. Many of these eggs are eaten up by bigger fish. The surviving eggs hatch. The young ones are very similar to the adults, are called fry. Next, life cycle of frog. Amphibians like frog lay eggs in water. Amphibian means the animal that can live on land as well as in water. The eggs appears as large cluster of jelly-like substance called spawn. When the eggs hatch, baby frog called tadpoles emerge, which do not look like an adult frog. The tiny tadpole have a long tail to swim and gills to breathe in water. As a tadpole grows, its tail becomes shorter till it disappears. Its gills become smaller and are slowly replaced by lungs. When the frog is fully developed, it moves on to the land. Life cycle of a butterfly. A female butterfly lay eggs on leaves. A larva called caterpillar hatches from the eggs. It grows in size by eating leaves and undergoes molting several times before changing into pupa. Molting means animals shedding their old skin to develop new ones. When fully developed, the adult butterfly breaks the pupa casing called cocoon and comes out. Thank you.